Well, a very tidy EP3 Civic in the house today for mapping. It's been back before, and now it's at Dynodaze for some flames and some action and a bit more mapping. We'll see what we get out of her, but fingers crossed it'll do quite well. It is a nice one, so we hope to make some noises on the dyno. It'll be a good video as per usual. So let's get cracking. Okay, so here we go then. Ignore the Renault Scenic on the ramp. We don't want to talk about that. And like I say, this one's been back before, so let's see what we can do out of her. Beautiful. Well, she's made it up onto the dyno, and I've strapped her down. And this is on a K100, so we're using the K Pro to tune with, and then we'll flash the K100 later. Not a bad looking motor at all. Quite looking forward to this on Monday morning. Okay, so a bit more data. This car's ECU was actually from another car, so it was actually tuned on another car and then plugged into this one. Now, it has actually made 222 brake horsepower, but the fueling's a little bit out. So first thing we got to do is Richard's now going to go and set up our base file, and then we're going to get cracking. So, but it made a run on the dyno and it sounded sweet. So here we go. Got a clipboard, it must be serious.
Dan just said to me, today's work sponsored by hard work. I can't really argue with that.
Our channel is sponsored by work, getting out of bed and going to work.
Yeah, hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work.
Nothing beats it.
No
amount of selling Bitcoin is gonna achieve.
We did have a massive argument with someone the other day about Bitcoin, didn't we?
Yeah.
To be fair. Yeah, I'm not too sure what his thoughts were there, but he was trying to convince us that buying Bitcoin was the way forward.
It wasn't actually Bitcoin, it was something else. And he was saying that if we all buy it, it'll go up in price and then we'll all make money. I was like, that's a pyramid scheme, mate.
The only person that makes money is the guy that's selling you that it wasn't worth anything and now it's worth something. So the only one that wins there is that.
Fantastic.
Anyway, let's get back to this EP3.
Yeah, beautiful EP3, carbon fibre on it. I like touching it, it's nice.
Yeah, black EP3. It's got a jack speed 4-to-1 manifold, it's got a custom exhaust, it's got a decat, it's got the Tegura carbon airbox, that's it. Yeah, sort of those mods we'd expect to see around the 230 mark, which is exactly what we've sort of seen. I don't know what bore the exhaust is or whatever, but
custom. That's all. I've not looked at.
Yeah, to be fair, I've not looked either. It flattened off at the top end big time. We know those airboxes can generally flow better than that. So I would imagine it's down to the exhaust design, perhaps being a bit on the smaller side or whatever. But you know, nonetheless, we've mapped to what we've got. Still an improvement. Customer wanted pops and bangs. You know,
He got some.
Yeah, he got wanted launch control. He also wanted
Shift light,
which he also put on there.
You got it.
So we've done all of that for him as well.
Yeah.
All mapped
You
up
want it?
All mapped up on a K100.
We'll give it you.
Yeah. All mapped up on a K100.
Yeah, K100. Now, actually, it'd actually been tuned by another company previously, but for a different car. So he just had the ECU and the board, and he's brought it here today, and we've tuned it properly, and yeah, it's done well.
Well, we just did a standard run on the standard ECU. I mean, we weren't going to run on the K100 ECU because obviously it's not tuned for that car, for this car. So we ran on the standard ECU, and then we raised the ECU and started again with one of our files and worked from there. So, should we have a look at the graph?
Yeah, I'm going to have to edit the graph now.
Why?
Because you know, in the box where you can say what I put that was previously Matt Road. So I'll edit that. I'll edit that because I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I'm wrong. It was stock. Let's do
Okay,
this.
now I've edited it. So as you can see, and as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Big power in the mid-range there, which we expect. Extended the rev range a little bit, lower the Vtec engagement, and we finish on 228 brake, which is 198 at the wheels. And it is a nice car, isn't it? Now, I know at the end of the video I always say what a nice car it is, and blah, blah, blah. But I'm actually starting to really miss my black EP3. And this one's ticking some boxes for me. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get an EP3 again. Who knows? But thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. You all right, Rich?
No. This should become your job.
What, the immobiliser bit, the key light?
Like taking the key out. I think that this is sort of going to pass becoming your job.
But you know what happens when you give me a responsibility?
Well, usually what you do is like when you do the washing up at home, you do it so badly that I either snatch it off you or never ask you to do it again.
That's how this works.
Yeah.
I didn't get to where I am today by working hard, mate.
I know that.
Work smart, not hard. Right, Richard. We'll see you by the next one, won't we, mate? Are you
indeed. Oh, hello.
All works.
Oh,